to separate the men from the bars, motherfucker. Let's go. Let's go. Best verse can't allow my intro. Word to blood, daddy. This time is for taking. Time steady ticking. Food supply getting lower and these diapers getting expensive.
Yo, what up? It's your boy E with BoxingProfits, bringing that toe-to-toe value that's undisputed in this industry. Hey, I'm going to get straight to the point, man. We headed to the junior featherweight division with my homie, cool boy, Stephen Fulton. Just got some terrible news, man. Terrible, terrible news. He popped positive for the bug, and his fight with Angelo Leo is off from his perspective. Angelo Leo still gets the opportunity to take on number 6 in the WBO, Tramaine Williams, in the main event on Showtime this weekend. But it hurts me, man. It hurts me that cool boy Steph, you know what I'm saying, straight out of Philly, 18-0. You know, it hurts me that this dude missed out on that payday, number one. Number two, it's sad because this guy was just on Fight Hype 5 hours ago, no more than 5-6 hours ago, said he was feeling just fine. He was hyped up, ready for the fight. I need y'all to look between the lines on this one, man. This man said he was feeling just fine, all right? You know what I'm saying? This the second time, well, this second or third time, you know what I'm saying? I forgot the other guys who popped positive, no disrespect to them. But, I mean, this the new norm. You know what I'm saying? This is a big fight for the PBC, for Showtime coming out. You know what I'm saying? You know, it was a huge fight for the junior featherweight division and everything that's going on now. But, you know, to be honest with you, man, hey, the next man up, this is what it is. We got to get adjusted to it. Angelo Leo is going to be the next guy up. I believe that he's going to get the opportunity of his lifetime to actually, to defeat Tramaine Williams for the belt, because Angelo Leo, he ain't no pushover. So I think that he's going to wind up winning the belt. And then once Stephen Fulton, you know what I'm saying, come back negative, he'll get his shot against Angelo Leo. But it's just so unfortunate, man. This man is missing out on the payday, you know, considering those circumstances. So he took to Twitter. He asked fans to pray for him. I'm praying for you, homie. Hold your head up high, man. Everything happened for a reason. And just know that all of this stuff that's going on is the devil's work. You feel me? And as long as you stay prayed up, bro, you know what I'm saying, God gonna bless you, homie. Trust me on that one. Anyway, let me know how you guys feel about this devastating my homie. Stephen Fulton is not getting an opportunity to go 19-0 and then become a champion. You know what I'm saying? How y'all feel about it? Let me know down in the comment section below. It's your boy E with BoxingProfits. Signing out to the next one. Holla at your boy 100. Whoop, mouth.